Yo, what's up guys? Today is the second day of trading using a Profirm free trial of FTMO. So this is my analysis for the day. I trade US oil cash and this is it. My analysis first is after a big dump, eventually the price will go back right here in this area before it continues go up. However, the price just go back right here and then have a consolidation in an uptrend just like that, but these are the key level zones. Yes, I consider this as a key level zones which the price will get rejected because there's so many rejection right here. So I place a buy limit right here, but it doesn't got hit because as I said, the price only goes back right here, and then since the price only goes back right here, and then there's a lot of key level right here, I enter a trade right here. I enter a trade right here, and then my stop loss is below this area. It's very high. It's risky, very risky, but so just like that. And then I set my TP. This is the buy limit. I set my TP right here above here, so you can see that liquidity is my TP because this is the previous liquidity. I hope that it will go beyond that. So here is my TP, but eventually the price only go back. The price only hit this area right here, and then I set a break even. Good thing I set a break even before it dumps. Just like that, as you can see, before it dumps, I set a break even, so I end up winning a secure profit of a, let's see, and yes, that's the today profit is $111. Not bad because we have a profit, not a bad because we set a break even right here before it dumps all the way back here. It just dumps. I hope that the TP is just right here, but good thing we have a BE, the buy limit, the BE, and the take profit that doesn't got hit, and then it dumps all the way back here.